Guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this glue here. So I'm just going to add to this bowl, and I also have some over here. Make sure it is in a airtight container and so it doesn't set, because that would be unfortunate. So this is pet safe glue. It is biodegradable and eco-safe, so you should be fine. And you could actually eat this, although I don't think it would taste very nice, so don't, but still, you could. So what you need is water, and you need flour, which is in here, flour, and you need some water. So basically the formula for this is 1 part flour, 2 parts water. So now I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to grab a tablespoon of flour. There we go. It's a bit big. And now I'm going to grab 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so you might need to add some water or flour depending on the texture. So try and get it to be nice and creamy and it isn't lumpy or anything. So I'm gonna mix now and find out what kind I've got here. So this one looks okay. I mean, you could add a little bit of water, but be careful because this could ruin it all. If you want to apply this, make sure you are using a brush or something else. You can't really pour it on because it will be a disaster. So like I said, this is pet safe. Now, if you want to use this for stuff like card and paper, this is fine. But if you want to use things for things like wood and more heavy duty, you need to heat the mixture up as well and add more flour so that the thing is thicker than this. So you might have to give it even amounts of water and flour, and you need to heat it up and use it when it's hot. The downside to this glue is that it's very, very messy, and also it takes forever to set, so it could take you a long time before your things are ready. Anyway, guys, this is an amazing thing if you want to build some toys for your pets or generally help the environment. Until next time, guys. Bye!